The mission of Ke Kula o Samuel M. Kamakau is to provide a culturally healthy and responsive learning environment which fosters success for all members of its learning community. As a laboratory public charter school, the purpose of Kamakau is to provide a quality family-based Hawaiian language immersion K-12 education, emphasizing health and wellness with the Kumu Honua Mauliola, a holistic philosophy of Hawaiian education as its foundation. Located in Kane'ohe on the island of Oahu, the school is named after Samuel Manaya Kalani Kamakau, a noted Native Hawaiian scholar, genealogist, historian, teacher, and legislator renowned for chronicling the traditional culture and history of our people. His life symbolizes integral qualities that we as contemporary Native Hawaiians can aspire to: a lifelong love of learning, deep knowledge of culture and history, and an untiring quest to perpetuate the past for future generations. Ke Kula o Samuel M. Kamakau is one of 17 Hawaiian-focused public charter schools supported by Kamehameha School's Ho'olako Like program. To learn more, visit ksbe.edu/beyond our campuses.